Ultimate motion graphics are subject to 14 titles only. Title 1, Title 2, Title 3, Title 4, 5, 6, and each of the titles that you click on, all you can do is change the titles' names, nothing more. So this is not a program where you could edit or make your own motion graphics whatsoever. This one, if I double click on it, you are limited. This will be on every single one. You can expand it, shrink it down, move it to where you need to be at, type in the saying you want. On the title's object, you could change the font size to anything you want and the shape of the color by simply just going like so in the object setting. The scale width, the wise, the height we just did. Over here we could basically do a couple of things. We can't center it unless we grab it like so. And then you can rotate it if it's rotating. There's the rotation. It is very restricted and very limited. You can make it fit to the side, back out, and that's about all you can do with the motion graphics. Thank you for viewing.